Hello, grade 5. Today we will have unit 3, lesson 4. Unit 3, lesson 4. Unit 3 is around house. Lesson 4 is going to be phonics time. Our phonics time today is about final ED. We studied before two ways of pronouncing final ED. We pronounce it as t, like in ask it, and we pronounce it d, like cold. Okay, today we'll learn a new way or a third way. We can pronounce it as id. Pronounce it as id, like dusted, greeted, invited, planted, waited, wedded. Again, id, dusted, id, greeted, id, invited, id, planted, id, waited, id, wedded. Again, in this lesson we're going to pronounce final ed, and in this lesson the final ed here pronounce it as id. We pronounce it as id. We have some examples like dusted. Look at the girl here, she is dusting the vase. She removes the dust from the vase. Here, dusted. Greeted. The two girls here met, they shake hands, they greet each other. So it's greeted. Invited. It's his birthday, this boy, it's his birthday, so he invited him to his birthday. Invited. Planted. The girl here planted a flower. She is planting a flower. Planted. Waited. She looked at her watch. She's waiting for the bus. So, waited. Waited. Wedded. Wedded. He is taking care of his garden. Remove the things that it is not be like to be in his garden. So, wedded. Wedded. He's taking care of his plants, his flowers. So, wedded. Again, the words dusted, greeted, invited, planted, waited, wedded. So, the final ed here pronounced as id. Pronounced as id. Look at this exercise. Do they both end with the same sound? The two words here end with the same sound. Listen and put true or false. We will listen to these two verbs and we will listen and find out if they have the same sound or not. Here, painted, counted. Painted, counted. They both end in id, so it's true. Baked, roasted. Baked, roasted. Here we pronounce the ed as t, and here we pronounce it as id, so it's false. Cold, waited. Cold, waited. Here the ed pronounced as d, but here we pronounced it as id, so it's of course false. Needed, folded. Needed, folded. They both pronounced as id, so the sentence here, this example is true. Wedded, dusted. Wedded, dusted. They both pronounce as id, so this also is true. Look here. Read the sentences, write the number, then listen. An ant wanted a home, so she planted a seed. Look at the pictures. An ant wanted a home, so she planted a seed. Which one? Yes, this will be number 1. Okay. An ant wanted a home, so she planted a seed. Wanted, here is ed. The id here in planted is also id. She waited and waited and waited and waited. She waited and waited and waited and waited. This, of course, is picture. Picture A will be 2. Then she dusted, planted, and invited her sisters for lunch. She dusted, planted, invited. They're all, the final ed here is ed. Look at the picture, will be, yes, number D will be 3. Okay. She greeted them with roasted beans. She greeted them with roasted beans. D will be 4. Here, she greeted, the final ed here is pronounced as id. Roasted, of course, we pronounce it id also. So, she greeted them with roasted beans. Look at the sentences again. Read them with me. An ant wanted a home, so she planted a seed. She waited and waited and waited and waited. Then she dusted, planted, and invited her sisters for lunch. She greeted them with roasted beans. This was our lesson for today. It's a goodbye and Miss Rab Haggad.